Y'all enjoyed last month's Costco video, so we're back with another one for August 2022 because they have a ton of back to school tech deals for everyone to enjoy, like these tablets, this vacuum, and this soundbar system. I can't wait to share with you guys all the tech deals that I found this month, so let's get started and let's talk tech. I'm Adrian with Ardently Tech, and on this channel we talk about all things tech, from videos of products reviews, tech hacks, tutorials, and so much more. Tech was made to make our lives easier, and we're here to help you understand it all. So make sure to subscribe if you're a fellow tech lover or someone who just wants to learn more about it. So outside of Black Friday, maybe even Cyber Monday, back to school deals are actually the best time to find laptop deals, and Costco is throwing a ton of them at us. We're starting off with this HP, which was the cheapest laptop on sale at Costco this month. It's rocking a 14-inch screen and priced at $380. If you want something a little bit more spec'd up, this Lenovo 14-inch laptop is going for $900. But if you want something bigger than 14 inches, there's a 15.6-inch HP laptop for $580. And if you need something more portable, they have the Surface Pro 8 at $1,000. As for MacBooks, they didn't have any explicit sales going on for them right now, but Costco is a great place to find and get good deals on MacBooks. So if you get a MacBook at Costco, it's definitely going to be cheaper than getting a MacBook fresh from Apple. And these are just the ones I saw that were on sale. There's a ton more online that are online exclusive sales. There's some that are just not on sale but are spec'd up. So there's a ton of laptops at Costco. But these are some of the ones that were on sale and caught my eye. Now, if you need something a bit more portable, maybe not a laptop, maybe you need something like a tablet, the Galaxy tablets are back on sale. The Galaxy 7 SE is rocking a $600 price tag, which is $80 more than last month. So this is not the better deal than last month, but it is still a pretty decent deal. And then the A7 Lite is rocking a $130 price tag. Again, that's another $10 more than last month, but not all of the Galaxy tablets that were on sale last month actually went up this month. This Galaxy Tablet A8 is going for $200 right now, and that is $70 cheaper than last month's sale. So this is a great buy if you're in the market for a Galaxy tablet. Now, if you don't need something that is a portable like a laptop or a tablet, maybe you need something for your workstation just to stay there. This desktop computer from Dell is actually going for $500 right now. It's a great deal. And the great thing about this desktop is that it's not massive and overbearing or bulky. It seems to be a nice compact size that maybe you might be able to leave on your desk if you wanted to. Now, if you get a desktop, you're definitely going to need a monitor, or maybe you have a laptop and you want to work on something bigger than the laptop screen. Getting a monitor is great for that, and they have 3 on sale this month. Starting with this LG 27-inch monitor, FHD borderless design. It's gone down from $180 to $140. It's a great price for a great monitor. Now, if you want a curved monitor, the Samsung curved monitor is back from last month at the same price, $200. Again, both of this and the last monitor I mentioned, they're rocking a 75 gigahertz refresh rate, so you're not getting these monitors for gaming. But if you want something for gaming, the MSI 27-inch monitor is amazing for that. I can speak to that because I own one of these monitors. I don't remember what I got mine for. I think it was lower than $200, but regardless, $200 for this monitor is well worth it. It is a great monitor, very crispy. It's not quite 4K, but it is a nice crisp and great colors, great for gaming, great for just everyday use. Whether I'm editing, watching TV, or playing games, this monitor is the way to go if you're looking for something a little bit nicer and worth your money. If you're looking for storage, for data, for your computer, for your projects, for whatever you have, the 2 terabyte Seagate external hard drive is back. It's still at $65, but whether or not you need more than 2 terabytes, I'm going to highly recommend grabbing the 5 terabyte Seagate hard drive that they are having a sale on for $90. Again, 5 terabytes, that's 3,000 more gigabytes for only $25 more. That is a great deal, and you should be grabbing one. I'm gonna be grabbing one. Your mama should be grabbing one. You just don't want to drop them because you can brick them and lose all your data. It's happened to me 3 times. 3 hard drives gone. Data, I don't know what I'm missing. Gone because I dropped them and they're ruined. So you buy this, just be very careful. Do not drop it. Leave it on your desktop. Leave it on your desk. Don't move it. Don't drop it. and you'll be okay. But if you're a klutz like me and you want something a little bit sturdier, the SanDisk 1TB SSD is available for $100 right now. It's a great deal. You just want to be careful with these two, because just because these are SSDs and nearly indestructible because they're water resistant, dust resistant, and all that stuff, doesn't mean they can't be broken either. I learned the hard way. This one is officially bricked, but I was able to get the data off of it. And if you get any of these, just be careful. Just be careful. If you're in the market with a better router, or if you're thinking about stopping using your internet provider's provided router that you have to pay monthly for, this Netgear Nighthawk Wi-Fi 6 router is an amazing one from what I've heard. I don't own it myself, but I heard a couple friends who have this, and for $140, this is a great deal. So if you're in the market, or if you're trying to get rid of the extra $20 a month or whatever your internet provider is charging you for your router, this is the way to go. Especially if you need like really fast Wi-Fi, or if you have fast high-speed Wi-Fi. Now remember, this is back to school time, so TVs are going to be a great time to buy as well. This Hisense 55-inch 4K smart TV is going for $270. This is a great deal, usually above $300. So pick this one up if you are in the market, if you're moving to a new dorm, an apartment, or whatever, in college, or just in general need a TV. This 55-inch might be the one for you. If you need something bigger and something more robust and with better quality, get the 75-inch Sony Smart TV for $1,700. Way big price gap, but it is amazing TV. It's a massive TV. You won't regret buying it unless you break it. Then you will have a lot of regret. So to pair with your new TV, or if you need something to just up the quality of the sound of your TV, this Samsung soundbar system is an amazing deal. For $320 right now, you can get this and have surround sound and just bring the movies or TV shows or games that you play to life in your room, in your apartment, in your living room, wherever you put this. It's going to change the way you watch TV, watch movies, play games, heck, even listen to music. It's going to change the game for you. Maybe you're not looking for something for your home system, but you need something that's a little bit more portable. This waterproof Bluetooth LED speaker for $50. It was the cheapest thing I saw on today's list. Actually, there's two things under $50, but this one in particular was a nice portable speaker that you can take to a pool party or a picnic or anywhere outdoors, or just inside the house if you just need something quick to play music on. Now, if you need something to listen to music to yourself and not share with anybody, these AirPod Pros are on sale right now at Costco for $180. This is like the cheapest I've seen ever retail. I kind of like see this periodically as their sale price at retail shops. Obviously, unless you're getting them used or whatever, this is going to be a great deal, brand new. They also have the AirPods 3rd generation up for $140. That's a pretty great deal. And if you're not an Apple user, maybe you want these Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds. I have a pair of them. They're my wife's actually, and they're a great pair of earbuds, great competitors to the AirPod Pros, but they're just not as easy to put in and out of your ear like the AirPods are. I have a full review going to be done soon on those earbuds, so if you want to wait to see if this is your great deal, wait. But honestly, I wouldn't, because that is a great price for these earbuds. $80 off, man. $80 off. Now, there's one thing that I didn't see in store that I thought was really awesome, and I guess you need to have some sort of appointment to see them. But Kirkland has this rechargeable hearing aids for $1,400, and I thought it was just really cool to see that they were advertising this. My wife had in the past have to use hearing aids in her one side of her ear, and she said that the most annoying part of having a hearing aid is changing the batteries. So she was really surprised to hear that there's a rechargeable kind now, and for that price tag, it is pretty nice. So if you know someone who might need this, definitely go suggest this to them. I think you have to call Costco to figure out like an appointment or something like that, and it might be limited to some Costco warehouses only, but again, just give a phone call and hopefully they can help you. So I was actually looking at our analytics on the past 28 days, and there's 85% of you guys who are watching our videos but aren't subscribed. So make sure to subscribe to our channel if you enjoy our videos, and make sure to leave it a like. Anyway, let's get back to the Costco deals. As some of you might know, I am a Fitbit fan, and the Fitbit Versa 3 was on sale last month, but now it's $30 cheaper, sitting at $146. It is the cheapest I've seen this product at a retailer. Now the Fitbit Charge 5, which is the one I like to use, is right now on sale for $110. It is also the cheapest I've seen at a retailer. They're usually around $170 to $150. So $110, it's a great deal. I got this for $60 used, but if you're looking for a brand new one, that's the way to go. They also have a sale on the Galaxy Watch 4. They have the 40mm for $180 and the 44 for $210. Great deals for both of them. Again, I'm an Apple fanboy and all that, but Galaxy Watches, I think they got them beat there. But in any case, if you're an Apple Watch user though, they have a sale on all Series 7 watches. $60 off all of the Series 7 watches, all the different sizes. It ranges anywhere from $280 to $460. So great deals there. $60 off is not something you can find at Apple. So maybe you have an Apple Watch and a pair of AirPods and a iPhone that has MagSafe on them. This is a great deal right here. The Belkin 3-in-1 charger. You can wirelessly charge all your products as you need them with this nice aesthetically pleasing stand. I don't have an Apple Watch, so this doesn't make sense for me, but I do have this Belkin MagSafe charger that I like to use at my desk. Belkin is a great company and has a great partnership with Apple, so you know it's going to be a quality product. So like I said, it is back to school time, so that means people are moving to apartments, to dorms, to, to their new jobs after college even. So this is a great time for looking for some household appliances and tech that you might find helpful in your new apartment or dorm or wherever you're moving to. Starting with this air purifier with Wi-Fi, really great. It's $100. It covers 360 square feet of your home. So if you're in the market for an air purifier, this might be the one for you, and you can control it from your phone, which is awesome. If you need some help cleaning your home, having a cordless vacuum might be helpful, but it is a pricey one. The Dyson cordless vac is on sale for $100 off, sitting at $500, $100 off already. So meaning it was $600 before. So it's an expensive vacuum, but a lot of people like it. We have one like this. It is not a Dyson. It is like something from Amazon, but it's a cordless vacuum, and it does wonders not having to plug something in, Now, if you don't mind having a vacuum that plugs in, but you need something that's a bit more compact, this Shark vacuum is what you need. It is right now on sale for $160, still powerful, but still compact. Now, if you need a way to help you meal prep or to preserve food or to prepare dinner or keep food fresh, this food saver is on sale right now for $70. A food saver like this one has been on my wish list for quite some time, and this might be the time to pick it up. Remember I said that there was something that was also $50 when I talked about the speaker. This Ninja blender is that thing that's under $50. If you're looking for a nice blender to make smoothies with or make some protein shakes or whatever you want to do with it, this blender is the one for you. For $50, you're getting a quality blender and you will not be disappointed. It's the same one that we have. That's all the deals that I found at Costco. There's a ton more deals that are out there that I'm sure that I overlooked. If I did, and if you see some that you like and you want to share with us, let us know in the comments below. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you might enjoy this video right here. Enjoy that, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.